How I make millions from stocks, and you can too. Visual. Rapid flashes of lifestyle clips. Skyline views, trading screens, luxury moments, paired with intense cinematic music. I wasn't born with a silver spoon, just a Wi-Fi connection, a $100 brokerage account, and a fear of being average. You ever get that sinking feeling that life's passing you by while you're still deciding which flavor of ramen to buy for dinner? Yeah, me too. Until I learned this. The stock market isn't a casino. It's a machine that prints money for people who understand it. In the next 2 minutes, I'll show you exactly how I turned a few $1,000s into millions, and why you're just one decision away from a completely different life. First, I didn't chase hype, I chased history. I studied patterns, market psychology, and long-term fundamentals like my future depended on it. Here's a wild truth. Most people lose money because they treat investing like Tinder, swiping on hot stocks they barely understand. I built my wealth by choosing solid companies, reinvesting dividends, and playing the long game while everyone else tried to get rich overnight. You can try to get lucky, or you can build a legacy. Your call. Visual. Algos, daily routines, emotion meters, green-red days fading into smooth portfolio growth. I made millions because I stopped feeling and started systemizing. My investments run on rules, risk management, stop losses, entry points. I don't react, I execute. Quick question. Do you freak out when your portfolio drops 10%? That's not investing. That's emotional roulette. Instead of trying to time the market, I spend time in the market. And here's the kicker. The real growth doesn't come from trading. It comes from what happens next. You know what really turned thousands into millions? Compounding. It's not sexy, it's not flashy, but it's the most powerful wealth-building force on the planet. I watched my net worth quietly explode, not because I made risky bets, but because I stayed consistent while others gave up. The truth is, getting rich isn't a flex, it's a formula. And if you want to master it, I break it all down in my next video. The power of compounding, how to make time your business partner. Visual. End screen shows next video thumbnail. Smooth, cinematic outro music plays. Tap the video on screen right now. The sooner you start compounding, the sooner everything changes.